in the exam section. Exams are back and we are back. So today we'll start with the grade 3 social studies quiz. Myself Pradeep and along with me we have Mr. Malik. Let's start. So today we have made it a bit interactive. Here you have to put your name. I will put your name Malik. Okay? Start the quiz. Why do farmers grow crops? For decoration, to produce food, to stop rain for roads. Very good. Next question. Which crop is mainly grown in northern India? Rice, wheat, tea, or cotton? Wheat, yes, correct. Why is transportation important for farmers? Transportation are important. It is poised, helps sell crops. Yeah, that is the answer. It helps sell crops. Very good. Which habit keeps us healthy? Skipping meal, balanced diet, only sweet. Balanced diet. Yes, correct. Why should we save water? Water is limited. Fresh water is limited. Water. Yeah, that's the correct answer. Which irrigation method saves water? Tell me. Yeah, that's the correct answer. What do dams do? They store the water. Yes, you're correct. Why are spices added to the food? To add taste. To remove color? No, to add the taste. Correct? Which is a pulse? Give me the example of a pulse. Rice, wheat, black gram, sugar. Yes, the black gram is the correct answer. Which water is safe to drink? Yeah, that's correct. Why is rain important for crops? That water crop. That's correct answer. Why is rainwater? What is rainwater harvesting? Correct. Which food gives energy? Yes, that's correct. Which stage forms cloud? Evaporation. Condensation is the correct answer, Maulik. What is precipitation? Rain or snow. Which saves water at home? Which saves water at home? Leaking taps, fixing taps, walker. Huh? Yeah, that's the correct answer. What? Which is a healthy drink? Fresh water. Why is India famous for food variety? Different region. Okay. Which produces electricity using water? Dam. That's the correct answer. Which habit keeps us fit?
Exercise.
Yes, correct answer. Which crop gives rain?
Rice.
Sorry, not rain, grain. Which transport move fastest?
Airplane.
Yeah, that's correct answer. Why should we reuse water?
To save it.
To save it. Which water is salty?
Sea water.
Yes. Which food helps us grow strong?
Vegetables.
Yes. What do farmers need to grow crops?
Water.
Water, yes. Which is not healthy?
Fast food.
Why should we turn off the taps?
To save water.
To save water, yes. To save water. That's the correct answer. Which is used to store water?
Dam.
Damn, that's the correct answer. Which is farming activity?
Planting.
Yes. Why do we need food?
For energy.
Yeah, that's correct. Which stage uses heat?
Evaporation.
Evaporation, yes. It takes the sun and then, yeah. What happens after rain reaches rivers?
Collected.
Collected. That's the correct answer. Next question. Which helps prevent plant grow? Which helps plants grow better?
Watering.
Watering. That's the correct answer. Which habit protect environment?
Saving
Littering. Yeah, that's the correct answer. And you got good marks. That's so nice of you. Thank you, Malik.
water. Bye bye.